You guys see that thing right there? That thing right there is a snowplow. A Boss V-Plow. I'm gonna hook up to that. To hook up to a Boss plow, V-Plow, you want to turn your power on. Double click, float so it turns red. Might take a try or two, but once you get it lined up, you come out here, you flip these. Plug in your cords. Power cord. And then your cord for everything else, like lights and solenoids and all that. I like to plug these in together. And all you do is you take this switch here. I usually go down and up. The pins will suck in, and then you're ready to plow. And since it was dark out the last time I went through this, the Boss control has multi-functions with the buttons, so might be a little bit hard to see here. Up, if you double click it, you'll raise for a set amount of time and then stop. Single click down drops it a little bit, but if you double click it, you'll turn red and go into float. Double click up, lifts it all the way. This will move just your left side of your plow forward. This will move it back. This will move just the right side. This will move it back. It says scoop right there. If you push right between these two buttons, so you're essentially pushing both buttons with one finger, it moves both sides forward and scoops it. You push here, he'll V it. Moves them both back and V's it. Now I'm going to push them ahead a little bit. Now it's essentially in like the straight blade position. So now it says left here or right here. So if you push it here, it will wing it to the right. If you push it here, it will wing it to the left. Not very complicated. One-handed operation, even with the manual. I usually hold it something like this. So that's how you run a Boss. To take it off, you got to have it in the V position and put it into float. You flip those two little levers the opposite direction and you're on the toggle switch and it will come right off. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.